Hello guys, and welcome back to another app development tutorial in code.org. Bringing to you today a kind of like a guessing game. You got 4 pictures and 1 word, and you have to look at the pictures and guess what the word is. This game went crazy before and it's such a good game, so let's get making it now. So I'm going to go to the design section and I'm going to create a background color. I'm just going to make it black, to be honest. And then I need to add 4 images because it's called 4 pics 1 word, isn't it? So I'm going to add 4 pictures, get them around about the same size if you can. That would be ideal. It's difficult, it takes a bit of time, but you know, you'll get there, you'll make it happen. So I think this is the best I can do for now. I'm not too fussed about it. If you're a perfectionist, then feel free to perfect it. But obviously time wise I don't want to spend too much time on it, so here we go. This is the best I can do. There, magic. So the next thing I need to do is add an image, a button, so that I can check what my answer is. But in order to check what my answer is, I'm going to need a little text input, so I'll drag that onto the screen there. So I've got all these components. If I get it right, then what it should do is it should move to the next slide with a congratulations message or something. So we'll get to that at some point soon. In fact, I might just create the second screen now. New screen, yeah, create a new screen, and then just have an image on there that says well done. Or I might just have a message that says well done on there. Yeah, I'll just have a message on there that says well done. So let's change that to well done. Increase the size of the text. So we can see it, a big message that says well done, and then I'll add a button on there that will allow me to go to the next page as well. Okay, so I'll add a button on there and then you can go to the next one. So, and I'll write next on it just so that everybody knows what to do with that button. Next question, can't spell, question, there we go. Next question, make it big enough, put it at the bottom down here or just up by there, that's perfect. So go back to screen 1. I need to add my pictures in now of all of the images, the relatable images to the 1 word. So I'm going to go and choose this one. I'm going to copy that, not copy, I need to copy the image address. Here we go back here. I'm going to click on that image, go to the image section and paste it. There's my first image. Second one is this one here. Copy the image address, click on the image and then paste that in there. So I'm starting to get all my images put together now. Right click here, copy the image address, back over here, click and paste. And for the final one, which is another word, another thing associated, I think you can probably guess what it is. I don't know if you can guess what it is, you probably figured it out already. But here we go, here's our images. You can I actually want to swap that one around because, you know, just a bit of balance. Talk about being a perfectionist. There we go, I feel like it's better now. Now I can program it. It's quite quick, isn't it? I could add a label at the top as well that says 4 pics 1 word, which is the game. So 4 pics 1 word. Okay, obviously it increases the size of the text and all that kind of stuff. We always like to make things look good, don't we? I'll keep it like that for now. So here it is, all designed, ready to go. The next thing I need to do is code it. So click on the coding section and I need to code that button to check if the answer in here is the correct one. So I am going to add that on event tool. So when I click on button number 1, which is this one here, I want to check the answer. So I'm going to go straight into an if statement. Yeah, I'm going to go straight into an if statement and I'm going to, where's the if statement? Here it is, if and else. Drag that in there, and what I want to do is I want to check if, using some maths, I want to check if the text input is equal to whatever word whatever the word is, and in this case the word is security. So let's see if we can get that working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the text of I think that is the text input. Scroll down a little bit. There it is. I'm going to get the text from the text input. and I'm going to check it to see if it's equal to, in quotation marks, security. There we go. So let's see if this works now. No, I can't see if it works. It's not going to do anything, is it? I mean, if I run it and I test it and I type in security and click on the button, nothing's happening because I haven't set anything to happen here. And if I do get it right, I'm just going to go and move to the next screen. Okay, so set screen here. Set screen to screen 2. And if I get it wrong, I actually want to do something, don't I? I actually probably want to do something. So I'm actually going to go and get a label down here. I'm going to drag the label down there. I'm going to put a question mark here. I'm actually going to leave it empty. Make it big, leave it empty so it doesn't look like it's there. Okay, make any text align to the middle to make it look good. And then I'm going to set that text, if I get it wrong, to incorrect. So let's set the text now. So set text of label, the only label I've got, well, 2 labels actually, it's label 2. That one down there is, that's label 3. Oh my goodness. It's a good job there's an ID on every one, isn't there? So set the text of label 3, scroll down, label 3 to incorrect, or even just try again. Okay, and it will keep saying try again until I get it right. So if I run that now, let's say I type in safety. Click on that button, it says try again. Protection. It's going to stay the same, try again. Okay, so then what I need to do is get it right, which is security. There it is. Click on the button and it says well done, next question. So when I click on that button, I actually need to go to the next slide, don't I? So you can easily do that, and if you've been looking at my previous ones, it's very straightforward, isn't it? So when you go to design, you want to add another screen. So I've only got 2 screens. I want to add another screen, and on that screen I can then go and create another one of these. And I can just program that button, which is button 2. So I'll go back here, I'll program that button 2. So if I click on button 2, where's button 2? Right at the top. Click on button 2, I can set the screen to the next screen, which is screen 3. So let's test it out, screen 3. So let's run that now. Type in security, click on the button, it says well done, next question, click on that, it takes you to the next screen. And then you can just, if you wanted to, if you want to save a bit of time, like I always want to do, I always want to save time, I can click on that background, I can duplicate that page, and that has been copied. That's page 1, page 2, page 3, and finally page 4. And you might want to get rid of screen 2 now. You can delete that screen now, and you can delete that. And then obviously, so now when you get to screen 2 and you click on that button there, you're going to have to recode it and change it to screen 4, because I don't have a screen 3 anymore, do I? So let's test it. Security button, click on it, next question, and it takes you to it. All you need to do when you get there is just redesign it with some new new pictures, and you're gonna have to reprogram it. You're gonna have to add another one of these underneath here so that you can check the next question. So yeah, have a go at that. It's quite a fun app to make. You can test all your friends and family as well, test their knowledge and, I don't know, ability to look at pictures and come up with a word. And yeah, it's all good. So enjoy that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Look out for the next available tutorial. There's loads of cool stuff to get working on. So get this done first and then look at the next one. Well, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy it. Make the most of it.